In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically back up your WordPress database. Now, this is very important that you back this up. If you ever have a problem with WordPress and you lose your data, it's very important that you can restore it, and it's very easy to restore. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. Now, fortunately, you can do this with a plugin. What you do, go down to Plugins, and then we're going to add new. Okay, and then what we want to do is go to WordPress. Database backup. Like that. WordPress database backup. Just type that in. Then you want to roll down and you want to get this one, wp-db-backup, and install. Okay, let's activate this plugin. Now, what we want to do is go to Tools and Backup. Okay, now what this is showing us here are the tables, which are where your files are stored. And you have here the core tables that are automatically going to be backed up. And over here, you have any other plugins you have installed have tables with them as well. So you can click these checkboxes to save these as well. Now, at this point, you could save it to your server, and it's going to save it where it says here. So it'll save a backup file right in the server. That's not really what you want to do. If you have a problem with your server, that doesn't do you any good. You can download to your computer, or you can email a backup to the email address that you have on your blog. Okay, and this is an immediate backup. You could do this right now, and well, let's do that. If we click on this, you see that it goes through, and it's gathering up all the tables. It takes a minute for it to do that. And there it is. So we could just download this now, and that would be our backup. But what I like to do is schedule the backup. And what I do is I schedule it once daily. Click all these to make sure you get it, and then have it email the backup. And you put your email address in there, schedule the backup, and that's it. You will now get a backup of your WordPress blog every day. Now, all that needs to happen is you need to have one visitor to your blog for this to work. So if you're already getting traffic to your blog, you're going to start getting daily backups. Now, it's really easy to restore a backup. Let me give you a quick demonstration here. Okay, so to restore it, what you need to do is go to where you handle your databases. Doesn't matter if it's in cPanel or Plesk or wherever it is. You should have access to phpMyAdmin. So bring that up. Now down the left-hand side, you will see your database. So click on the one that you want to restore. Okay, so this is it. It's called Summer in this case. And here's all the data in it. Okay, now if this data was corrupted or gone, I can just upload a backup. So all I need to do now is do an import. And then I just browse for the file. Now, if it was in an email, all I would have to do is save the attachment somewhere. I could save it to my desktop, wherever I want to be. So I'm going to browse for that backup folder. Okay, so I have it in a folder called DB Backups. Here it is. So I open that. Okay, and now all I have to do is click Go. And it's going to import the database. Okay, and as you see, it has imported my database. Now, there was nothing changed there, but if I had lost my database, it would have brought everything back in. So if I go back to my site here, everything should still be intact. And there it is. Data is still all perfectly intact. So that's how you can back up your WordPress data automatically.